everyone, thank you for joining me once again on the vegan season, where it's the season to be vegan. I am so glad to be with you again today, and I'm so glad that you are here. To all of my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. On your way in, hit the thumbs up button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. So today I'm going to be making a beet juice. It's, as you can see, I have some fruit and some veggies and some greens. So we're going to make a nice healthy drink that's going to strengthen our blood and it's going to strengthen our insides. So right now we have some kale, we have pomegranate, and excuse the way the bowl looks, pomegranate is something to get the seeds out. We have some carrots, oranges, some lemon, beets, and cucumber. And I'm excited. I never made this drink before, so I am so excited. I want to get back into juicing. Juicing is healthy. It is filling. You can juice fruits or vegetables and replace that as a meal, so you don't have to eat so much during the day. You know, because it's always good to have liquid foods in our system as opposed to solid foods that our body has to constantly work all day to keep digesting. So we are going to start. All right. Okay, so I'm going to add the beets first. I'm excited. Let's see if this works. This up. Let's add a few beets. Let's open it up so the pulp could come through. And the problem is when the pieces are too big, it gets kind of stuck in there, so this is stuck. Right, so let me turn it off and see what the issue is. Yeah, it's too big. Yeah, it's jammed in there. So it's always good to do, if you have, can't even get it out. If you have different fruits, different vegetables, just do a couple, different ones at a time. Yeah, this one is kind of on the big side. That's my fault. Okay, let the pulp come out. All right. Now this doesn't sound right, but I hope it is right. Okay. It's making a lot of juice. Put some lemon in there. And I'm going to put a little pomegranate in there. I was so excited to try this recipe because I've been always meaning to juice some beets. And it's like, you know what? Better to start now And later on in life, and the pulp is coming through, so I have to tighten some things in the juicer. That's fine. I'll stop it and I'll tighten it up, and we'll keep moving on. Alright. So I got it back up and running. And then some kale. Oh, I'm spilling some stuff. So I plan on juicing everything. Just want to finish up the kale. Kale. I'm going to do a carrot, put some carrots in there. I think my carrots and the hard vegetables are too big. I think that's what's happening, because it's getting stuck in there. Try to turn it off and pull it out. I think I gotta. Oh, I didn't even notice I had that on there. I didn't even know they had a reverse button. Yes, I think I gotta cut these down more and then put it in there. So I'll be right back. Still acting up. There we go. Oh, so I thought. Okay, so you can see my juicer has stuff all on it. I was trying to do different things to get it to work, and I think I've got it right now. So I've juiced some, and I'm reaching to the end. Uh-oh, and I did this in the wrong place. You believe this? Always when I have to do a video with this juicer, that's when things go all over the place, but so far so good. Adding more of the lemon. The pulp is coming out fine, so I had to do a little adjusting on the inside and make sure everything is just right and everything like that for the juicer to work properly. So it's a bit of trial and error, but I got it to work. And this is the last part of the juice. So the kale is already in there. The pomegranates, those were all juiced. So this is just the last set here that I want to show you. When the juicer is actually working properly, the pulp is coming out properly, the juice is falling into the bowl properly. So I want to bring you more videos with juicing. You know, juicing different fruits, juicing different vegetables, and you know, just to bring a variety to the channel, to let you know that you have a lot of choices within the plant-based and vegan diet. So that's the important thing, you know, to know that you have a lot of choices. Your food doesn't have to be boring. Your drinks don't have to be boring, you know? So. And I have to force some down, apparently, but we're coming almost to the end. And I'll show you the finished result, how much juice was made. It made a good amount of juice. So I'm happy about that. So I'm just letting the last remnants come out of here. Okay. Okay, so this is the pulp that came out of everything. And what I'm doing right now, I poured some juice in earlier because, like I said, it made a good amount. I'm using a strainer because some of the pulp got into the juice because the machine wasn't tightened properly. So I have a cucumber seed in my hand. So I'm going to take the rest of the juice and I'm going to run it through the strainer. And just strain it. I don't want to take a spoon to push everything through, you know. Yeah, I'm making a big mess here, but you know, it happens. Just run it along. You can see the pulp that came out, you know, it's in there still, so I don't want that in the juice. So again, it was pomegranate, kale, lemon, orange, carrot, beets, and cucumber. Never had this combination before, so, you know, I'm excited about it. Really excited. And I want to get back to juicing. So this is a start right here. Okay. This is the finished product of the juice. It is lime, orange, carrots, beets, pomegranate, kale, and cucumber. It looks so delish. I can't wait to drink it. This is my first time making this drink. And you know, we can always experiment, right? So once again, thank you for joining me on the vegan season. I hope you enjoyed this juice that I made. Half fruits, half vegetables. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thumbs it up. Like it, thumbs it up. And once again, thank you for being here with me on the vegan season. All my subscribers, I thank you so much. God bless. Enjoy. Stay safe. Bye.